L98 wireless mechanical keyboard is a budget-friendly option for those looking for a quality mechanical keyboard. It features hot-swappable switches, a gasket-mounted design, and triple-mode connectivity. The build quality is solid, and the keyboard feels great to type on. The L98 is also very customizable, with a variety of lighting effects and software options. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard without spending a lot of money, the L98 is a great option. The L98 is a great choice for budget-minded gamers and typists. It offers a lot of features that are typically found on more expensive keyboards, such as hot-swappable switches and RGB lighting. The build quality is also very good, and the keyboard feels sturdy and well-made. One of the things that makes the L98 such a great value is its hot-swappable switches. This means that you can easily change out the switches to customize the feel of the keyboard. If you're not sure what switches you want, the L98 comes with a variety of options to choose from. Another great feature of the L98 is its gasket-mounted design. This design helps to reduce noise and vibration, making the keyboard quieter to type on. It also makes the keyboard feel more comfortable to use, as it absorbs some of the impact of your keystrokes. The L98 also has triple-mode connectivity, so you can connect it to your computer via Bluetooth, too. 4 GHz wireless, or USB-C. This makes it a great option for use with multiple devices. Overall, the L98 wireless mechanical keyboard is a great option for budget-minded gamers and typists. It offers a lot of features that are typically found on more expensive keyboards, such as hot-swappable switches and RGB lighting. The build quality is also very good, and the keyboard feels sturdy and well-made.